Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around startup and drive video for you on a 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Now, this car is in highly original condition. Just 47,000 miles on the clock. Has a 305 V8 small block Chevy engine in it, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Now, like I say, this is a survivor car. Is the paint perfect? No. Does it have a few dings, dents, and scrapes? Yeah, it's got a few door dings in it. It's got a door ding here. It's got a small door ding here. Got a small door ding here. Got a small door ding here. Say the paint on this car is all original as far as I know. Somebody must have tried to buff it before I got my hands on it, and looks like they buffed through right here on that little kicker piece, little extension. This is just such a cool car. I love buying these cars because this car is super solid, and I love these cars anyway. I had one when I was in high school. I had two or three of them when I was in high school, so I really enjoyed them. Original floor mats in it. Yes, I scrubbed them. That's as clean as they get. Sun visors, headliner. Headliner's a little saggy in the back. But like I say, this car is rock solid. It came out of Oregon, so that probably why it was preserved so well. And just to find one of these cars with a really good body is getting so difficult now because these cars just aren't around. You know, people use these cars for stock cars, drag cars, whatever they chose to do way back when, and now you just don't see them. So I'm gonna price this car in the high teens, 18.9 or 19.9, something like that. I just sold one here a few weeks ago that was about the same car. I think this car is probably more solid than that one. That one was really nice, but wait till you see the underneath pictures of this car. It is, like I say, rock solid. The floor pans are still gray. I'll give you a little example here. Here. Look at the bottom of the floor on that car. I will put it up in the air and take pictures on the hoist too, but I mean, to find a car like this that's as solid as I stated already, it's very, very difficult. Tilt wheel cruise control, air conditioning, rear window defrost. Engine runs nice and smooth. Must have one turn signal bulb out. Wipers. Horn is not working. Radio works. Bright headlights. Factory hubcaps, white walls. I bet someone can't wait to put an LS in this car. .62 or something slammed under the hood. Looked pretty good in this car. All original under the hood. No, I didn't paint it up. I didn't paint up the valve covers. I didn't do anything like that. Sounds like we got a little bit of a belt squeal. put a little belt dressing on that thing. Like I said, is this car perfect? No. Is it super solid, very good looking car for, you know, for the age? Absolutely. Yeah, I must have one bulb back here that's bad. Or a loose socket. Never know. We'll get that looked at. Get that squeal looked at. Oh no, probably this bulb right here. That one's out. That running light, that's probably what's making that light on the dash light up. But that's what we do here at Kenyon Classics. I show you what I see on these cars. I describe them to the best of my ability. I think she looks pretty good. You can see a couple spots on the hood here where it's a little bit faded. You know, I run the polisher buffer over it. I mean, that's about as good as I could get it without sanding and buffing it. But what a great looking little car. 78 Chevrolet Malibu. We'll take it for a little cruise here. There's some oil change stickers. A lot of people want to build these cars anymore. I'm gonna say I just sold one a couple weeks ago to a gentleman, and that's what he's gonna do with it. He's gonna LS swap it. Go for a little ride. Nice running, driving car. Gas gauge works, speedometer works. Radio works. Drives really nice. Look at that. The cruise control even works. Nice. Don't see that all the time, a 78 Malibu that the cruise works. It does have a couple small cracks right here in the dash. That's what I say. I try to be as honest and upfront and show you everything that I see, so. Very nice looking car, very solid car. Get out and do a little walk around with you quick outside. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Yeah, I mean, it's got a couple, one small ding there, one small ding there. But like I said, I think it's in really good shape for an original Survivor. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you're interested in this cute little 78 Chevrolet Malibu, or check out our inventory on our website, kenyonauto.com. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll be back at you here in just a little while with another great muscle car.